Hi, it's me again with Corel All Tips and Tricks, and as promised, I'm going to make part 3 on how to make this rope. And I brought in an old rope that I'd made years ago off of something else. And I just put it around, and the person I'm doing this for, I'm going to send you this file plus the other file. I think this is the way to do it. This would be a lot cleaner. And you could spend a lot of time to make this rope look like this, you know, kind of just like it's hanging there, but I don't really like it. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to use the envelope tool, and we're just going to kind of play with it. But you're going to get some funny parts of the line. But if you do it right, like if you select all this end and bring this around, it kind of squeezes it. It kind of gives it that effect that this has. Maybe we can lift it up a little bit, but you're going to lose some contrast of the colors and or shape of the rope. So I just took my rope and I just made copies of the rope, Control D, so I could use it over and over. And on this one, a little shorter, so I'm going to actually maybe take this one and cut it shorter, see what happens. There we go. I took away my lines though, so that's not going to work. So what we can always do is just bring in a line, and then when you use your virtual segment delete key, it'll stop those lines from leaking. And get rid of all that, get rid of that garbage. Then you can take your line away and you've kind of got that shape. I would Control G just to make sure it's together, and then let's just rotate it. But like I said, I really like the cleanness of that other rope. And also, you know, this is a deal for a lake, and really this is like would be a deal for a seagoing boat type life raft. Let's grab all this and just bring them in here. And see, you could play with this forever, and you're not gonna, unless you really started the rope from scratch. So I'm not even gonna mess with that. You could always maybe take the one you didn't mess up and Control D and make a duplicate. Maybe mirror it, put on the, I mirrored it the wrong direction. Mirror it that away and then bring it on the bottom. And you can put it on the sides. And what we can do, let's do this. I've got this locked, so I'm not gonna give up on it. I'm gonna go to unlock and unlock it all. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to left click, right click, so we could get rid of the stuff that's in the inside of this. So let's bring this in. Maybe let's just try squeezing it, and it doesn't mess up the colors or let's rotate it a little bit. So you could play with this till the cows come home. That's an old saying. Maybe Control D and make a duplicate of that guy and, you know, rotate it around. But I really like the cleanliness of this other rope. And you can't, I mean, this one is terrible. All it is a bunch of humps, and you could very well do that, but I would like to see it. So I'm going to work on this a little bit more and clean it up, but I will send you both files. But I'm pretty sure you're going to want to use this one. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.